Come, let me tell you something. Are you dreaming of getting a job abroad? You're looking for jobs that come with visa sponsorship. I know it can be quite daunting and quite difficult. In fact, it is more difficult sometimes to get a job, abroad than for Manchester United to win the Premier League. But don't worry, I've got gist for you. And over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to get these jobs that come with visa sponsorship. And the best thing is, you don't need to pay anything for it because it's free. So stick around because this video is for you.
Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
Did you know you can change the audio language on this video? Just look for the settings icon, click on it, select audio track and choose the language you prefer. Enjoy the video in the language that works best for you.
Oh, hello folks, it's your one and only Wakawaka Doctor, always bring you the best gist when it comes to travel and migration. You know how we did on this channel? All we do is share information that has to do with traveling, living, working abroad and thriving abroad. The idea is to help you move abroad, stay abroad, and be the best version of yourself. For those who always watch me, who always give me feedback, I want to say thank you very much for doing that. It encourages me to do more. There's always testimonials every week, every day. There's a testimonial we get. Take a look at this one that came in this week. All right. Can you see that? Beautiful. The guy is now in the UK enjoying himself. Sent me a message on Twitter that I helped him. I saw him 2 years ago and then I was able to convince him and now he has moved to the United Kingdom. This is just one of the testimonials that come in every week. All right, remember that I'm not on Telegram and I'm not on WhatsApp. So if you do see anybody sending you messages saying you should take them on Telegram or WhatsApp, it is not me. It is not me, all right? Okay, let's get into the gist of the day. I've said that getting a job abroad is simpler, it's even easier than Manchester United winning the Premier League. I'm telling you. But the thing is that a lot of you don't know what to do. A lot of you don't apply the right method. A lot of you are freaking lazy. A lot of you don't do what is necessary. And so I'm going to teach you 7 AI tools that are free that you can use on your own to get these jobs with visa sponsorship. Are you ready? Let's get cracking. First one is our guy, ChatGPT. ChatGPT. I'm going to show you how you can do it. You see, with ChatGPT, you can do a lot of things. It's your personal job coach. With ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how we can do it on our phone. With ChatGPT, you can use it to write a killer-ass CV that can aid in your job search. You can use it to draft cover letters when you apply on different platforms. You can use it to prepare for interviews, which is amazing. Look, I'm going to show you one example of how you can use ChatGPT to get a job, abroad. And those jobs, ChatGPT will be sending it to your email every single day. You cannot imagine the amount of things you can do on ChatGPT. But let's start. Now, the first thing I want you to do, open your ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT, download it right now. Open ChatGPT, all right? When you open ChatGPT, go to the left side of the page. Go to the left side of the page. Click on your name, okay? It opens up, okay? Can you see it? Okay, click at the bottom of your screen. Click on your name. Then once you click on your name, the next thing you want to do is click on settings. Click on settings. Then you click on notifications. Then click on task and toggle push and email. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you copy the exact prompt. This prompt that is showing on your screen now, copy it and make sure you click on web search. You put this prompt that you can see on your screen, impute it into ChatGPT, all right? Click on web search and click enter. Boom, that is it. You will get a list of jobs and roles that you can apply to with key skills that you can use it to tweak your resume. And you'll be getting this in your email every single day. Now, there's a fantastic account on Instagram that I want you to follow. That account is called Messi Thaddeus _ Messi Thaddeus _ She's an amazing person because she teaches people how to use ChatGPT to get jobs, the tricks Okay, so make sure you follow her. It's Messi Thaddeus _ and you can go through all her page. That's one AI tool. Let's get on to the next. Number 2 now, coming shortly. So quickly before I tell you the gist of the day, I want you to share this video. Make sure you like, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you just share to as many friends as possible. I also want to tell you that there is a masterclass that I created just for you. A masterclass that you can buy that is very affordable, that will give you opportunities. You're in tech, you're looking for scholarships, you're looking for how to apply to jobs, you're an engineer, you're a teacher, you're a lawyer, you're in healthcare, you're in tech, you're looking to move to the United States for free. I got everything covered. You've applied for jobs, but they're not calling you. This masterclass has everything all. And I've created a special link in the description box of this video for you to be able to get that masterclass, okay? So go to the link and get the masterclass. And let's get on to the second one. Remember that this involves a lot of research, and this is based on research that I've made to help you guys, okay? The second one is LinkedIn. But what makes it a game changer is that you have to add AI add-ons, okay? You have to add AI add-ons. That's what makes it a game changer, all right? AI Acts with LinkedIn is the bomb, all right? LinkedIn is the real plug when it comes to international jobs. We all know that. But if you add AI add-ons to your Chrome extensions, it makes it very different. Now, what this would do is it will suggest keywords for your LinkedIn profile. It will help you auto apply for multiple jobs. You just sleep. It will apply on its own for jobs abroad. And it will even help you write comments that are smart so that international recruiters will spot you. Okay, it will suggest comments that are smart so that you can tweak it to look human, but this would help international recruiters to help you. Now, you can use this AI to find hiring managers, talent acquisition specialists, okay? Not that you go and write something like, hello, I need a job. You need to stop that crap, stop that bullshit. Instead, the AI would help you say, hello, I noticed your company is expanding in Australia. Here's how my skills might align with what you have at the moment. It'd be great to have a chat or find attached my cover letter. And that's how to do it. And AI with LinkedIn is what's going to help you. I found this account on Instagram that also very great. It's called Talent Talks with Any. Talent Talks with Any. She is a talent acquisition manager. All right. She's a talent acquisition specialist or manager. That's what she does. So send her a DM. It's Talent Talks with Henny. She's more, professional and knows all the ins and outs of LinkedIn. And I'm sure she'll be able to help you as well. That's number 2. Let's get on to number 3. Let's talk about number 3 app that you need to use or AI tool that you need to use that would help you increase the chance of getting a job. Now, a lot of people make a mistake and their CVs. Oh my God. Your CVs are like WAEC sleep. Your CVs are terrible, awful. You see your CV and you just want to cry. And you can use an AI tool that's called Resume AI. RESUM AI. It's simple. It can help you draft a catchy resume in seconds. And the problem is that a lot of people don't realize that there are different forms of CVs. There's the Europass format, there's the Australian and the Canadian format. Even those in the Netherlands prefer simple and short and catchy, resumes. That's where this tool comes out. It builds a modern, eye-catching resume that is attractive to recruiters, okay? Now, all you need to do is go on Resume AI, you upload your details, and it will just spit out a CV that looks like you, that looks exactly like you. And that's all you need to know, okay? So that's the third tool that I want to talk about. The fourth one I want to talk about is JobScan. JobScan, this is where the game changes, all right? And I wrote it down here actually, that if you put your CV on JobScan will check your CV against the job description and it will tell you how you can beat what is called the ATS system. The ATS system is an applicant tracking system. That's why some people you send your CV and you get rejected in seconds. You're like, did you even read my CV? That's because there's an automated system online that once you put your CV and there are some things they are looking for. If those things are not in your CV, they bounce you. So the job scan would check your CV against the job description. It's like a cheat code for job applications, basically. All right. So you get a score. Okay, it's a scan, like a virus scan, like a job scan. So you get a score, you improve your CV, and then it increases your chances of being shortlisted. Okay. Without this tool, your CV might as well just be sitting down in the fridge of the HR because they're not going to look at it. So make sure you take a look at this. You can Google it, Job Scan AI. Okay, that's another amazing tool. Let's get to the next. Guys, why is it that you do not subscribe to my YouTube channel? Why? I'm providing information to help you move abroad, yet I find that so many people watch my videos, but they don't subscribe to it. Yes, when I check my analytics, I see that a lot of people use my videos, but they don't subscribe. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you drop comments so that I can interact with you and I can answer your questions. Okay, what should I do? What do you want me to do before you? Should I kneel down? Should I beg you? Should I roll on the floor? I can do it easily. All right. We're just trying to help more people. So please just subscribe to my videos. Okay, share them. Let's help more people move abroad. Thank you. All right. Which ones have we talked about now? Let's see if you're following. We've talked about ChatGPT, which is your best guy. We've talked about Job Scan. We've talked about LinkedIn and AI tools, and we've talked about Resume AI. Now, I really need to take note of this next three. I'm just going to breeze through them. If you've gotten the job and you're trying to prepare for an interview, the next one you want to look at is Interview Warmup. It's by Google. It's called Interview Warmup. It's Google's machine to help you with interviews. Okay, it's an AI tool that simulates interview questions, and it helps you practice your answers. Okay, it even tells you if you're not answering the question right or if you're answering it wrongly. It will tell you. So that's another one that you definitely need to check out. The obvious one, which I should have talked about way long before this, is Grammarly. All right, Grammarly or QuillBot. I think yes, Grammarly or QuillBot. Listen, grammar has destroyed a lot of families. Okay, more than yes. So you have to watch out for the things you say. You have to watch out for the things you type on your motivational letter, on your cover letter, and this is where Grammarly comes into play. All right, you can use to clean up your English. You can use QuillBot to rephrase. All right, these you can see it appearing on the screen now. This is the beautiful app or beautiful website that you can use. Okay, let's use this example. If your motivational letter says mistake, I is very hardworking and can do every jobs. I is very hardworking and can do every jobs. That application is definitely going to the bin. But when you have Grammarly and QuillBot, it will help you make these simple corrections. I'm not saying that you did it intentionally, but these apps can help you pick it up. The next one I want to talk about is Teal HQ, Teal HQ. It's my secret sauce. It's the one that I just found out, and it's amazing. It helps you track all your job applications in one place. It gives you prompts for your CVs, your LinkedIn. It helps you organize every application so that you don't forget which company you have actually applied to. All right. There is nothing worse than a recruiter calling you or somebody sending you an email and you cannot remember whether you applied for that job. So Teal HQ will help you organize all this. Okay, so let's take a recap of the 7 apps that I think will increase your chances of getting jobs with this sponsor. Number 1, ChatGPT. Number 2, LinkedIn with AI tools. Number 3, Teal HQ. Number 4, Job Scan. Number 5, Resume AI. Number 6 is Grammarly or QuillBot. And the 7th one is, or the interview warm-up, which is Google Interview Warmup. Okay, I hope this video has helped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people. Till I see you again in the next video. It's Wakawaka Doctor, and I'm signing out.